In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Yes viewers, Ashraf Botanical Garden. Before starting the video, if you have not started, subscribe my channel, do it now. Viewers, in previous video I have told you how to prepare feed with vitamins. And in today's video I have modified the method a little bit and you will learn more from this method. You can see, first of all, you can see that these are the vitamins, fish oil capsule and the avian capsule, and this is the needle. It is available from the syringe. Yes, here you can prick these fish oil capsule or avian capsule with this. It's quite easy method, and so viewers, you have seen that I have pricked all these fish oil capsule, avian capsule, and this is the egg. I am going to add stir it thoroughly to mix the egg yolk with white. And now viewers, empty this, you can see. Viewers, one thing you should be careful, and that is this formula is basically better for the winter season or this during spring season, but don't use this in the summer season. Similarly, here add this fish oil capsule. It's quite slippery. We have added all the avian capsule and the fish oil capsule. Mix it thoroughly so that the oils, both the vitamins, are completely thoroughly mixed. And then add this in the pearl millet or bajra. Here you can see the ratio is that it is 1 kg of the pearl millet. 1 kg of pearl millet, you have to add 5 fish oil capsule and 2 avian capsule and 1 egg. This is the ratio. In this way, all the pearl millet, there is a coating of the egg, which is very much liked by the parrots, very much liked by the lovebirds. Where it is better than dry this, if you want to dry this mixture in the shade, dry it in the shade, and then mix this 1 kg of pearl millet with vitamins in 3 kilos of that already prepared feed. You have seen. Yes, it is extremely beneficial for the health of the parrots and for the breeding purposes. Viewers, we have seen in my previous video that this dry feed is already a mixture of 7 different types of seeds, having safflower seeds, sunflower seeds, and 4 varieties of Kangni or foxtail millet. So viewers, I'm sure you have liked this video and it is better for the health of your parrots, your lovebirds. Share this video with your friends and with your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.